Good day everyone, how you doing? I hope you guys doing very well there and welcome back to our channel. It is very happy to see you again into our another video. So this time I'd like to share you how to sing a song with the AI. How to do that, so without any further ado, and let's get into the tutorial. So guys, here I'm using the audimi.com and here I am accessing it from my Google Chrome, and also you can start to click this Audimi and do the login first with your email because they will give you several credits or the quota to convert your song to be sang by these people. And actually for the new user they will give you 15 minutes quota to sing your song, and this is the look of the homepage. And for example, for this convert vocal, they will give you the chance to your song being sang by these several persons. For example, there are David, Mark, Blake, Nicole, Haley, Amina, Josh, Marcus, Julius, Nara, and also Summer. For this upgrade, it means that you need to do the purchase of their package. You can go to this upgrade, and as you can see there are the several package that they offer to you. There are from free, starter, pro, ultimate, and also the detail of the benefits. And also there are the yearly that will give you the credits, the discounts right here, and also the benefit. And if you are interested with it, then you can go to the click the get plan and continue to do the payment. And for example, I would like to my song being sang by the people. For example, I will choose Josh, and you can click play here to get the preview of his sound or his voice. And if you are okay, then you can just click it, and after that you can do the preview again by click this menu. And for example, I would like to input the audio and I want it to be sang by this Josh. How to do that? So you can just scroll down and you can put the audio or record your recording here. And for example, I will show you the random recording that I have put here.
Help me.
Yeah, that's all. The random audio. And after that, you can also add the audio file right here. And if you have input the audio or the recording here, they will give you the chance to edit the pitch. For example, if you would like to change the key, you can choose the key to start off the audio. And if you don't want to choose it, then you can keep it with no key. And also you can go to the pitch editor right here to adjust the pitch scale and the vibrato, drift, and also cut. And after that you can start to, or you can also change the scale of the pitch shift and also the conversation strength. And after that you can also choose this option. There are the remove instrumental, remove background vocals, remove reverb and echo, and also remove noise. And I choose this remove noise, and after that I have or you can click the convert here, so the result will be shown here. And after that you can also download this audio in this and being saved into your device. For example, I will give you the sound.
Help me.
So I'm sorry if I just played for you just a little second, but there is the description if you would like to know how this AI can help you to sing your favorite song being sang with this several people or several singer that has been provided by this AI to prevent about the copyright. So that's all guys. I hope this video finds you helpful. And if you have any requests or feedback, please don't worry to put it on a comment down below because we would love to see your comments there. And if you have any recommendation about the another AI that can do the same as this Audio Me, please don't forget to put it on a comment down below too. And we would love to make your video in the another version. And if you would like to give the thumbs up, don't forget to like this video and also subscribe this channel to watch more another video. I'll see you another video and thank you for watching. Bye guys.